So here's how you disassemble it. There is a 4 Phillips screw head in here, which is so make sure it's on the shims. They have 2 screws too. So let's undo the screw. This 2 screw will be trash once you finish. You don't need to put them back anymore. So I guess it's 2 screws just for shipping. So keep the shim in between. So just slide this out carefully. Trying to hold it, make sure it doesn't fly off, which is it shouldn't because there's a wire connecting to it. Here's what it looked like. You got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tiny bearings. Then pull off this little yellow strip. This is actually very hard. Well, still need to take it out. It's in there pretty tight. I'm just gonna unscrew this end and see if it just pinch on there. This one got 2 wiper. The other one only got 1. But the difference from this one and that one was that's a slim model, which is a do smaller. So I guess this have 2 wiper on each side. It would be a lot of fun trying to put it back. Well, this one was easy. This one was even easier. Okay. Let's put back one end only. Okay, it's tight. It's not bad. You can see the glass chipped.